Okay, in our last video, no one was watching, figured it out. It was a fill port, and our jack is a hydraulic jack. It does not function. Look at the box, it looks like it got wet, but that's probably hydraulic oil. It's probably leaking out of this plug. I should really get a new plug for it. I see them on the internet. This plug's pretty mangled now. For now, I just might RTV it if I get jack fluid, just to make sure that the thing actually works. But that is your fill port on this General Hydraulic, or Allied. It's gonna be the right box, maybe not. Looks different. Made in Taiwan. Bottle jack. My Craftsman one, I think I junked. I should have took the label off. There might have been a hidden fill port. And now it's not even going at all. Oh wait, no, I don't have it on. Dumbass. I'm draining some of it though. As you see, the fluid's kind of shitty looking. It's just mineral oil, I believe. There's still some in it. But the more I drain, the less it jacks up. So that would indicate that it was low on fluid because it only went about halfway up. So that's your first step, removing that plug and not mangling it. Second step, I would probably drain the old stuff out if you can. I think I got most of it out already. And then third step, I gotta go to Home Depot. This seems to have the cheapest price, $5.99, and get some check oil, 32 ounces, or you can get a quart. Isn't a quart 32? What quart is? Suck at this. What do I not know this? Okay, it is a quart. Yeah, same price at 32 ounces as a quart. You can get a quart at AutoZone too. I don't know if they have it in stock for about the same price as well. Not a lot of people know this, but Home Depot, they sell a lot of automotive stuff for cheap. Home Depot, Amazon also sells this. I'll link it in the description, although it is kind of pricey. If you don't need it, you need it though. Home Depot, $5.99. The cap, I kind of glued, super glue. Should I link it in the description too? No, the cap's gonna work. I drained out the oil fluid. Basically just tilted the unit. There's some more that's gonna come out. I'm trying to get it mostly all out. There's still some in there. I want most of it all out. Yeah, it's doing the rock and roll. Plays games with me. Make sure this is all the way down. Now we can start filling it. They give you a convenient hole. I don't know if there's foil in this. There might be foil. Correct. Remove the foil. The container is so big on this, and this jack is so small. Elevate it. Makes it easier. And now, hopefully this thing's going to work again. Fill it up. I guess until it oozes out of the hole. I'm really not sure on this. Is there directions? It's gonna take the whole damn bottle. You watch. $3. I had a coupon. Alright, I'm not gonna bore you with this. Appears to be oozing out of the hole on my brick. So that thing's pretty damn full. Took a lot. There might be a manufactured whatever limit on that. We gotta get that plug back in. Just like the removal of that plug, the reinsertation, it was very tricky. I should really get a new plug. I was supposed to measure it, but yeah, I kind of purged the air out by cycling it. Let's see if it works though. See if we can go all the way up now. It couldn't before. Alright, now the test. But I already did this. I jacked up my truck and it actually held pressure. 4320 pound. Well, not in the corner. Divide that by 4 about. Truck. But before, this thing was going, it would stop right in the middle, and it was kind of like psh, 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 psh. It wasn't leaking or anything. It was just leaking out of that plug, I believe. Probably was sitting on its side, and I think the oil leaked out of the side. Keep these things upright, you'll be fine. Like you see, it stopped maybe about here. And you see it keeps going now. Smooth. That's its max height. That's awesome. I probably said before, if you're listening, I had a Craftsman one. Didn't have a fill plug though on the side. Could have been filled from the top, or possibly maybe it had a little Allen under the label, but I junked that one. I should have checked. Stupid me. But usually you get a screw on the side somewhere, or a plug. Like this thing has a plug. I should have really got a new plug for it. You see it's kind of oozing out already. I might just exteriorly seal it with some RTV or something for now, until I get a new plug. That was definitely the issue. So that's how you do it. Shitty videos on the internet about it. Home Depot, best price, or Amazon if you live around nobody, or AutoZone has something similar as well. Try to get the biggest bottle though. That's a 1 quart, 32 ounce liquor wrench. Link in the description, because it's good stuff to have, even for your floor jack. Even if you have a leaking floor jack and you just need to use it like once just to get the car down or something, it's worth it to have. That works smooth. I'm amazed I fixed this. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, and recycle that in your waste oil jug, which I have from my pressure washer. It's just mineral oil, pretty much. When you have this kind of cap too, you can either change it, or I'm going to put the foil back on, just in case it tips over. A lot of times these things don't lock on too well. You know, just so you don't lose your product. Tech tip. Stuff's really, really light. There you go, recycle it.